Okay, so these are the ingredients we are going to make our sandwiches. You can fresh bread, veggies, carrots and cabbage. Yeah, this is cabbage. Okay, this is chicken marinated one, sauces, mayo and ketchup. Okay. Veggies in our chicken. Okay, our material is ready. Pour some oil in the pan. I think we should more. We should add more. Using mustard sauce. Touch me. I'm using mayo on one slice and ketchup on other. I'm spreading the whole material on the bread. We will cut into 2 equal parts. Okay, sandwiches are ready.